Good afternoon and welcome to Maximo Bite Size, a podcast on the functionality of Maximo Manage. Today is the 7th episode in the series on maintenance planning, and we will be discussing Master PMs. A Master PM is a template for a preventive maintenance record. It is used in two ways, with rotating items as it was originally designed, or with asset templates. Master PMs with rotating items. The Master PM application is found in the Preventive Maintenance module and is a system-level object. It will be creating preventive maintenance records at the site level, so this allows you to have a common record that is controlled centrally and where changes can be applied across multiple sites. There is no status field, not even an active-inactive toggle. In the header of the Master PM record is the item and item set fields. If you use these, then a rotating item must be selected. These fields can be left blank. However, if you do enter a rotating item, then the two fields create associated PMs for item's location and create associated PMs for item's asset, determine whether locations and/or assets will be generated when the action create associated PMs is used. If the item field is left blank, then the Master PM can only be used in conjunction with an asset template to create preventive maintenance records. The action create associated PMs will find the locations and assets with the same rotating item that are not related to the Master PM, and you can choose which assets and locations for which you want the preventive maintenance records to be created. You can set the next due date when preventive maintenance records are created. The other fields in the Master PM application are grouped around the data that you allow to be updated on preventive maintenance records that are linked to the Master PM. There are 6 groups of fields. Work order information allows you to update the work type, work order status, work order priority, and interruptible fields. Extension fields allows you to update the adjust next due date and extended date fields. Time-based information will update the frequency units and alert lead in days fields. Meter-based information will update for a specific meter the frequency, alert lead, and generate work order ahead by fields. Seasonal dates will update both the active days of the week and the entries in the active dates table. Job plan sequence will update records in the job plan sequence table. The action update associated PMs is then used to update the associated PMs for the selected sites. Incidentally, the lead time fields and the setting of use last work order start information to calculate next due frequency can also be updated when you use the update associated PMs action. When you add a new meter frequency record to the Master PM, it will check on associated PMs that the reference location or asset has that meter and will give you an error if this is not the case. On the Preventive Maintenance application, there is a field called Override Updates from Master PM, which will stop future updates from the Master PM for this record. Master PMs with asset templates. An asset template can generate and update assets related to the asset template. One of the aspects of an asset template is on the PMs tab, where you can reference multiple Master PMs. When assets are created from the asset template, a preventive maintenance record is created for each reference Master PM. These Master PMs do not need to reference a rotating item, as the asset template is being used to create the preventive maintenance record and associated with the Master PM. With these non-rotating assets created from the asset template, can their preventive maintenance records be updated from the Master PM as described previously? The answer is yes. A Master PM can be used to update preventive maintenance records that are linked to it, for either rotating assets and locations, or for non-rotating assets created via an asset template. On the Preventive Maintenance application, you can create a new PM record, link it to a Master PM, go to the Master PM application, and use the action Update Master PM. This would be unusual, but it is possible and can be used to link preventive maintenance records for non-rotating locations to a Master PM, so that the Master PM can update these PM records. I hope you enjoyed this podcast episode, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode when we will start our discussion on preventive maintenance. We will be discussing time-based PMs. The music is called Drag Race from the group called Track Tribe. Please check them out on tracktribe.com, all one word. Until another time, goodbye.